Guys, we're back on another video. Me and Yazid, the dinosaur. As you guys in the next video, for you guys who don't know what was happening in that video,
the dinosaur is gonna come more.
The camera is like a person. Camera is a person, and then the dinosaur chases the person that is the camera. Then he gets eaten, and then it changes to other person watching the dinosaur eating the other person. So yeah, subscribe to not my channel, but yes,
guys, we're gonna switch the thing. We're gonna switch the camera to show the dinosaur.
Yes, the dinosaur.
Guys, there's a bunny.
There's a bunny. There is a bunny. We are YouTube. There's a bunny.
So guys, we're back on another video. So we're actually gonna make noodles today. Ruben is not gonna come make, so I'm gonna pause the video. It is the pot, guys. There's a big stove. We can use it with civic electricity. Today, guys, the noodles is in the pot, guys. So here's the cabbage. Here's the what is passing. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna cut the video for now. Peace out.